Hello, team and family. This is problem number 3. Here we go. Let's do this. On their vacation, Kim's family drove 9 hours per day. Their average speed was 50 miles per hour. At this rate, how many miles did Kim's family drive in 6 days? All right. So let's start this off. Put our box in the middle. U, P, S, and C. I'm going to jump a step here. Understand, plan, solve, and check. Understand there's 3 questions. 1, 2, 3. Question 1, what are you asked to find? How many miles did Kim's family drive in 6 days? That's what I'm going to write down here. How many miles did Kim's family drive in 6 days? That's step 1. What are you asked to find? Step 2, what are the facts? So I see here 9 hours per day. Average speed was 50 miles per hour. And I think 6 days. Ooh, so I'm going to need that as well. So let me write all this stuff down so I don't forget. 9 hours per day. $50 miles per hour. And then lastly, 6 days. Step 3, is there any information given that you will not use? No, I'm going to put here, we'll use all information. Right. Next, our plan. What strategy or strategies can you use? Number 1, I know we can multiply different units to find the total. And then the second step, I have solved similar problems where I'm multiplying like 9 hours per day for 6 days, but I also need to multiply hours times miles. So I've done similar problems, yes, but mostly with 2 numbers. So I don't do a lot of problems where I'm multiplying 3 numbers, and I need to make sure that I remember to do this. Solve it out. Let's go. Number 1, follow your plan. So my plan is I got to do 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. All right. So let's start by multiplying 50 miles per hour times 9 hours per day. 50 miles per hour times 9 hours per day. 9 times 0, 0. 9 times 5, 45. Next, I'm going to have to take the product or the answer, and I'm going to then have to multiply it by 6 days. So let's do it. 6 times 0, 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 4, 24 plus 3, 27. 2,700. Step 2 of the solve was just to make sure that you show your steps, which I did. Finally, let's check this. Did you answer the question? Well, my question was how many miles did Kim's family drive in 6 days? I did find how many miles they drove in 1 day, and then I multiplied that by 6 to get 2,700. Yes, I found the total. Is your answer reasonable? So I know I was multiplying three numbers, 50 times 9. I know 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 0 is 0, 450. That makes sense. And then 450 times 6 should get me an answer in the 2,000 range. So my answer is reasonable. It's definitely reasonable because I know it should be in the 2,000s, which it is. Reasonable means is it seeming like it would be a logical or an answer that makes sense. And then finally, number 3, are there other strategies that you could use? So there's always other strategies. I could have done repeated addition. So I'm going to put repeated addition and tables. You can always set up tables and then just keep going out with your tables all the way until you get your answer. So like 9 times 50 could have been written out, so it's a little bit easier. 150, 2, 100, and so on and so forth till you finish your table. I'm going to take my answer, 2,700. I need to make sure I put my label on it. How many miles? So this is 2,700 miles. And that is my answer. Woo!